Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at the first of the compilation options within Scrivener's compile feature, which are the contents options. The contents options basically allow us to choose which chapters and subchapters appear in the formatted output of our ebook. As you can see, all of my chapters, such as Carter and Carnarvon and The Valley of the Kings, have been ticked, as have all of my subchapters, such as The Last Season, Excavating the Tomb, The Antechamber, The Annex, and so on. If, for example, the quiz, questions and answers subchapters were only supposed to appear in my printed books, my paperback books, then here I would be able to untick these two subchapters and they would no longer appear in the finished formatted ebook. However, I do want them to be part of the ebook, so I shall retick them again like so. Now if we have a look down here, you will see that there is a tick box where you can also add your front matter to the finished output. If we tick that box and then choose ebook as our front matter folder, what we see above our chapters are the title page, foreword and preface. Now these three pages correspond to those that have been placed in the ebook folder, which is situated over here in the front matter section of the binder. At the moment, each of these files are ticked, but I don't actually want the title page to appear in the formatted ebook, so I am going to untick that box like so. And now, when I press compile, the content that will appear in the formatted ebook will be the foreword, the preface, and all of my chapters and subchapters. Okay, I hope that gives you a clearer idea about the contents options within Scrivener's compile feature. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.